Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix YouTube application on your LG TV. So if your YouTube application doesn't start or doesn't want to play videos right, then the first thing that you're gonna have to do is check your network connection. You can do this by navigating to the gear section and selecting the Wi-Fi icon in the top right corner of the screen, of this sidebar, not the screen. And after that, check if you are connected to either using the LAN cable or Wi-Fi. So see if you are properly connected to the internet, and also try opening some other applications like, for example, Netflix, and see if they are streaming right. You can also check the streaming quality on your laptop and your smartphone that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And if YouTube is the only app that is not working right for you, then the first thing that you're gonna have to do is restart the TV for 60 seconds. To do that, turn off your TV by pressing the power button and then unplug it from the power source and wait for about a minute, and then plug in the TV back into the outlet. After your TV is restarted, try checking the YouTube application once again, and if it's still not working for you, in such case, let's reinstall this application by holding down the central D-pad key on it on the home screen, and then select the trash bin icon at the top of this application using either up arrow key or your mouse pointer, and select OK. Select delete, and this will delete the YouTube application from your TV. After that, let's reinstall this application by going back to the apps menu and finding the YouTube application here. So let's search for YouTube. Okay, and right now let's reinstall this application and check if it's working right for you. But if it's still not, then maybe this is a software problem, and in case it's a software problem, we're gonna have to go to settings, all settings, by selecting the gear icon once again, and after that navigate to the support section, and in support go to software update. Then make sure that the order update is switched to the right and check for available updates. Now if your TV finds an update, it will automatically download and install it, and after that you're gonna have to restart it once again for the changes to be applied. If you see no updates found notification, that means that the problem is probably in the agreements that you gave to your TV. To check the agreements, back in this support section, navigate to the very bottom of it and select privacy and terms, and select user agreements. And basically what you're gonna have to do is give all the agreements, give the agreements to everything that you have here, and tap agree, and after that try relaunching your YouTube app. You can also try to restart your TV before you do that to make sure that all the changes applied, or just wait for some short period of time. Then try launching your YouTube application once again, and basically after that it should start working. But if the issue persists, you can try factory reset your TV as a last resort. However, this will delete all the apps, all the media that you have stored in your TV's storage, Therefore, this application requires you to do a backup of all the important files you have on your TV. So back them up somewhere on your pen drive, for example, or on your USB flash drive. And then select the gear icon once again. And in order to perform the factory reset operation, you're going to have to go to the general, then navigate to the system, and in system select reset to initial settings and select reset all, and if prompted, enter your TV password. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.